Welcome to the English Unplugged channel.
I'm Liam, and this is Emma. We're thrilled to be here.
Today, we're at the airport to learn travel English.
We'll explore useful phrases for your next trip abroad.
Before starting, please subscribe and like this video, everyone.
It supports us in creating more lessons for you all.
Yes, subscribe to boost your English skills with us. Let's prepare for our journey. Liam, know how to check in?
Not quite. I feel anxious. Can you guide me, please?
Sure. At the counter, say, "Hi, I'm flying to London. Can I check in?"
Hi, I'm flying to London. Can I check in here?
Great! Staff may ask, "May I see your passport and ticket?"
How do I respond to that question?
You don't. Just hand over your passport and ticket. They'll request them. Say, "Here they are," when handing over.
Here they are. I understand now.
Nice. They might ask, "How many bags are you checking?"
What's the best way to reply to that?
Say, "One suitcase," or "I have 2 bags today."
Okay, just one suitcase for me.
Perfect. Next, you'll receive your boarding pass. Ask, "May I have my pass?"
May I have my pass, please?
Very polite. Check your pass for gate and boarding time.
What's a gate in this context?
It's the door where you board your plane.
Oh, got it now. So I head to the gate at the right time.
Yes, boarding time shows when to be there. Don't be late.
I don't want to miss my flight. Thanks, Emma.
My pleasure. Let's practice again. I'm the staff. You speak.
Hi, I'm flying to London. Can I check in here?
Sure, please. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Here they are.
How many bags are you checking today?
Just one suitcase.
Here's your pass. Gate 12B, boarding at 3:30 p.m.
Thank you very much.
Well done, Liam. What's next after check-in?
I go through security.
Yes, they scan your bags and body before the gate.
Security makes me nervous too.
No stress. Follow steps. Wait. Show passport and pass again.
So keep my passport and pass ready in hand?
Exactly. Don't store them in your bag. Have them out.
What's after that step?
You reach the scanner. Place your carry-on bag on the belt for scanning.
What's a carry-on bag exactly?
The small bag you bring on the plane, not checked luggage.
Got it. What do I say at security?
Not much, but they might say, "Remove your shoes, please."
If I don't understand them,
Say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or say it slowly.
Sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Perfect. Or, "Could you say it slowly, please?"
Could you say it slowly, please?
These phrases will help a lot.
They sure will. What about liquids?
They may ask, "Any liquids in your bag?"
How do I answer that one?
Say, "No, none." Or, "Yes, a small water bottle."
Big liquids aren't allowed, right?
Correct. No large liquids in your carry-on. After bag and body scans, you're done with security.
What if the alarm goes off?
Stay calm. Let the officer check you. Follow their instructions.
Okay, stay calm and polite.
Right. Let's practice security questions now.
I'm ready.
Please take off your jacket.
Okay,
Remove your laptop, please.
sure.
Any liquids in your bag?
No, I don't have any.
Great job, Liam. You're set for security now.
after security, what's next, Emma?
Head to your gate and wait for boarding time.
How do I locate my gate?
Follow airport signs like A1, B5, or C12. Check your pass.
My gate's 12B.
Excellent. Follow signs to gate 12B.
What if I can't find it?
Ask, "Excuse me, where's gate 12B?" Or, "How do I get there?"
Excuse me, where's gate 12B?
Easy. Both questions work fine.
What if I'm hungry before boarding?
Airports have cafes. Say, "May I see the menu?" Or, "I'd like coffee."
I love airport coffee vibes.
True, but watch the time. Listen for announcements.
What kind of announcement should I hear?
Like, "Flight 22 to London, now boarding at gate 12B."
So I go to the gate then.
Yes, line up, show your passport and pass, then board.
Do I say anything there?
Just "hello" or "thank you." They'll guide you.
This feels manageable now.
Travel English gets easier with practice. You're almost on board.
I'm on the plane. What's next?
Find your seat using the number on your pass.
Mine says 14A.
Look for row 14, seat A. Letters indicate window or aisle.
What's an aisle seat?
It's beside the walkway, windows by the window, middles between.
I love window seats for cloud views.
Same here. Store your bag overhead or under the seat ahead.
Should I talk to flight attendants?
If you need help, say, "Excuse me, can I ask something?"
Or can I have a blanket, please?
Yes. For drinks, say, "I'd like water" when they come.
Or can I have orange juice?
Exactly. If you don't understand, say, "Sorry, could you repeat?"
Sorry, could you repeat, please?
Good. For seatbelts, fasten when the sign's on.
What if I need the restroom?
Wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off, then go.
How do I find the restroom?
Ask, "Where's the restroom?" if you can't see it.
I'm feeling more confident now.
Awesome! Knowing key phrases makes flying easier.
This flight's smooth. I'm enjoying it.
Glad to hear. Sometimes they give you a customs form.
What's that form about?
It's for immigration, asking your name, passport, and travel reason.
What do I write for reason?
Write tourism, business, or study based on your trip's purpose.
Do I need a pen for that?
Yes, always carry a pen for forms on the plane.
Thanks. I'll bring one next time.
When landing, wait for the seatbelt sign to turn off.
Then what do I do?
Stand, grab your bag, and head to passport control.
What happens at passport control?
Show your passport. They ask simple questions about your trip.
Like, what kind of questions?
Things like, "Why are you here?" or "How long's your stay?"
How should I answer those?
Be clear. "I'm here for vacation," or "2 weeks."
That seems straightforward enough.
After that, head to baggage claim for your suitcase.
What's baggage claim exactly?
It's where your checked bags come out on a belt.
What if my bag's missing?
Go to the help desk. Say, "I can't find my bag."
Okay, got it.
After that, you go through customs.
What's customs about?
Officers check if you're bringing anything illegal or costly.
What do I do there?
Pick between green or red lines at customs.
What's the difference between them?
Greens for nothing to declare. Reds for items to report.
I have just clothes and a laptop.
Then take the green channel. No need to speak.
What if they stop me?
Stay calm. They might ask, "What are you bringing in?"
What do I say then?
Say, "Personal items, nothing to declare."
Personal items, nothing to declare.
Perfect. Then you're at the arrival area.
Is that where people wait for me?
Yes, or you can take a taxi, bus, or train.
What do I tell a taxi driver?
Say, "Hi, can you take me to this address?" and show it.
That's simple. I can do it.
You've learned tons today, Liam. Great job.
Thanks, Emma. I feel ready to travel now.
My pleasure. You've mastered check-in, security, boarding, and customs.
I'm much more confident now.
Let's review key phrases one last time together.
Sure, I'm ready to practice.
Repeat. I'm flying to London.
I'm flying to London.
Can I check in here?
Can I check in here?
Here they are.
Here they are.
How many bags to check in?
How many bags to check in?
May I have my pass, please?
May I have my pass, please?
Where's gate 12B?
Where's gate 12B?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Where's the restroom?
Where's the restroom?
Personal items, nothing to declare.
Personal items, nothing to declare.
Awesome. These phrases work in airports worldwide.
I'll practice them more later.
That's the way. Practice makes travel English easier.
Thanks again, Emma, for all the help.
Thank you, learners, for joining us today.
If this helped, please like and subscribe to English Unplugged.
See you next episode. Safe travels, everyone.